So, liberal amount. See how it just comes out? Oh, 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 oh. Uh-oh. Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be a glimpse of my wash day routine. So that is why my hair looks the way that it does right now. We're going to wash it and we're going to be using a new product by Loclicious called the Clarifying and Moisturizing Shampoo. Hopefully you've watched my most recent video where I showed you products that I purchased from Loclicious. I did like a little mini product haul and I went through each product and went over some of the ingredients, how to use them, and I explained that I'll be doing official reviews in other videos while actually using the products. So this is the first video that I'll be doing where I'm going to use one of their products. I'm very excited. So this is the Clarifying and Moisturizing Shampoo. It is a lightweight and residue-free clarifying and moisturizing shampoo. It has distilled water, glycerin, green tea extract, tea tree essential oil. It also has jojoba oil, hemp oil, and some other all-natural fragrance oils. So it comes in an 8-ounce bottle. I did already break the seal because I wanted to smell it and it smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. It smells good, and just by the look of it, oh, it's still a little plastic cap on top. Hold on. Peel that off. So just by the look of it, it's like, it's not too thick, but it's like a nice creamy texture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet my hair. I'm going to come back and then I'm going to show you all how I apply the shampoo to my locks, and we'll see if it lathers up and how much it takes to lather up. Okay? Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I've already saturated my hair with warm water per the instructions. So next what I need to do is apply a liberal amount of shampoo into the palm of my hand and then apply it to your scalp and massage it until it lathers. So let's do that. Oh, this smells good. All right, so apply it to my scalp and massage it. Woo! Okay, my hair needs this massage. Massage it until it lathers. Pour a little bit more. And then after I massage it in my scalp, I'm gonna work the shampoo through my locks and concentrate on my scalp. All right, so just as you would normally wash your hair. So I'm applying this much because I have, first of all, my hair is very dirty. I've been in St. Thomas and I've been at the beach so much. There's a lot of salt water that my hair has. Okay, give me a second, y'all, give me a second. All right, there we go. My hair has been in a lot of salt water and I've only washed my hair once since I was there. So I know that my hair needs to be washed. So I'm gonna keep massaging. Woo, this feels so good. I'm gonna keep massaging my scalp before I work the product down throughout my locks. Now, mind you, you want to use as much as you feel that you need to use. I know my hair, and I'm going to use a generous amount because I have a lot of hair, and I want to make sure that it's very clean. Since it's been probably like a month and a few weeks since I've washed my hair. I know, right? Now, I think I'm going to wet my hair a little bit more and come right back so that it can lather up a bit more, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I wet my hair a little bit more and now I'm gonna apply a little bit more shampoo. By the way, my hair is dripping all over the place, which is fine. Uh-oh, I think that shampoo went down my shirt. But I'm going to apply and start massaging, working the product throughout my locks. put a towel on the floor. 1 second, guys. Okay, much better. Alright, so I'm just working the products throughout my the shampoo throughout my locks to make sure it's nice and clean. I'm not gonna lie, it smells very good. One thing I'm noticing is that it's not lathering up quick enough for me. And my locks are very saturated. So that's one thing I'm definitely noticing right off the bat. Normally by now, my locks would be very lathered with the product. And I feel like I'm using a lot of product to lather it up. So do as much as I can because I don't want to use or have to use too much product. And y'all, I'm really giving you my honest review, so this is not a paid partnership yet. Not a paid partnership yet. So I'm giving y'all my honest review. Okay. Ooh, let me look at myself in the mirror. I don't know. I feel like I still need a little bit more. Okay. This is the last little bit I'm gonna put on there before I rinse it out. So. And granted, you all, my experience probably would be completely different if I was, well, I don't know. I feel like if I was in the shower doing this, maybe it would be a little bit different because I would be maybe applying more water to my hair as I'm washing it. But it's not like that right now. So, yeah. This is all I'm going to use. My scalp is the product is all over my scalp, so that's that. But it feels so good massaging it. I'm just doing a very deep massage because I'm only going to do one wash. I'm not going to do more than one wash. So just one wash and one rinse. So I'm trying to make sure I get as much of the dirt out that I can, and then we'll rinse it out. So I'll be right back as I rinse it out. I'm back. Me and the shower just had a fight, okay? Just want to let that be known. There's water all over the place, but I'm back. Okay, so few things. One, it didn't take long or too much for the shampoo to be rinsed out of my hair. I noticed that. I also noticed that it definitely was getting rid of all the dirt. Like when I was like washing it out and rinsing it out, I noticed that a lot of the dirt was coming out as well. So that was awesome. So although it didn't lather up as much as I had hoped it would for that kind of trial run, it did do its job and clarify my hair. So this is how it looks. Nice and clean. Okay, very nice and clean. My locks smells amazing. And I use an old t-shirt to dry my hair. I don't use towels to actually dry it because that prevents the lint from getting stuck in my locks. But there's a towel on my neck, however, I don't feel that there will be any lint that will get stuck to my locks from just having it around my neck like this. So right now I'm just going through and I'm just getting some of the excess of water out of my locks so that it's not too saturated, but that is, you know, nice and damp, because I'm going to follow up with the rose water hydration mist so that I can moisturize my locks as they air dry. So let's get to that. So let me just give a full view. I know you probably can't see my full head, but my locks are nicely washed. All right, so with this hydration mist, this is how you use it. I need to unlock the lever under this spray cap to the right or left. So that's the lever right here, and you just flip it like that. Turn it this way. Okay, and then once I do that, I can spray the Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist on my locks, or if you're loose natural, you can use this product as well for daily hydration. So I'm gonna, hold on, wait till some spray out. Okay, that's locked. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this smells good. So I'm just gonna lightly spray around my locks on my scalp, because we're gonna moisturize. Okay, now with this product, you can use it when your hair, of course, is already dry. And when it's dry, is there something on my lips? Okay, a little drop of water. But I'm going to, you can use this product when your hair is dry, just to moisturize. But I'm gonna use it while my hair is damp. Because like I said, I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I wanna use this first and then follow up with the growth oil on my scalp. Okay. I think that's good for now. And this is the growth oil. This includes black seed oil, sweet almond oil, emu oil, castor oil, brahmi oil, horsetail extract, cedarwood oil, amla oil, bergamot oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and all natural essential oil fragrance blend. So I think I opened this already. Oh no, I didn't, y'all. This, I think out of all the products, I think I might like this one the best for its scent. Let me get that seal out. Okay. So this is a lightweight oil. And I'm going to, the instruction says to apply Loclicious growth oil to scalp to promote hair growth and to moisturize dry scalp. So I'm going to apply it to my scalp, and then I'll massage it into my scalp and put a little bit on my actual locks. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm very happy that I got the entire hair care bundle from Loclicious, because when I really think about it, I don't normally get a full system from different, like from brands when I get hair products. I just get like maybe shampoo, maybe Retwist, or you know, one or the other, or just a few of the items instead of the whole thing. So I can honestly say this is my first time getting like a full bundle, so that I can use each product in its proper order. So I can appreciate that. Okay, this is definitely lightweight oil. I can feel it going down my scalp, and it feels so good. It's just running down. And I'm lightly squeezing the bottle to let the product out, you guys. So I'm not like just squeezing it, because see, that's how it comes out, like that. So I'm just doing it like that. I think that's enough, and I'll massage it into my scalp. Oh, this smells so good. You're gonna hear me say that a lot probably throughout this video. This smells so good. Okay, massage, massage. And now I'll just put a little bit in my hand to massage it throughout my locks. Focus on the ends as well. Oh, I like this. I like this. So massage, massage. Okay, a little goes a long way with the oil for sure. You don't need to use too much of the oil. Okay, I think we're good. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to the nape of my head, so I can make sure that's moisturized as well. Oh man, this feels so good. Smells so good. You guys have to get this product. So good. The smell alone, like, wow. That's all I can say. Okay. Alright, so this concludes my wash day routine. I just wanted to give you all a little glimpse of what I do when I wash my hair. So I always shampoo first, and then I follow up with a nice hydration mist, and it's always rose water. And then some oil while I let my hair air dry. So in this video, just to review, I used the Loclicious clarifying shampoo. I followed it up with the rose water hydration mist. And lastly, to seal in the moisture, I used the Loclicious growth oil. So with all these products, you don't have to have locks to use these products. You can be a loose natural and use these products. That's what I like about this. It's very versatile, so it's not limited to just the lock community. But all in all, I am very satisfied with how the shampoo, I'm very satisfied with how the shampoo clarified my hair. I'm very satisfied with the hydration mist, the rose water hydration mist, and especially the growth oil. All the products smell really good, but I think my favorite is definitely the growth oil. So I don't want to talk you all ear off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications so that you can be notified when I post a new video. And make sure you comment down below if you've used Loclicious products before, and if there's some other products you'd like to see me try or that you'll recommend that I use. I am 100% open to it. I thank you again, and oh, before I forget, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling, Pinterest, Octavia.Darling, and TikTok, Octavia.Darling. All of my information to my socials will be listed down below, and I hope that you all follow me so that I can connect with you on another level. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!